Needless and dangerous problems concerning tires or punctures should be none of your business. As the leading company in tire sealants and compressors, Active Tools keeps your tires running. Active Tools' new tire testing machine gives demonstrative evidence. Precise measuring instruments and modules are ruled and monitored using the operator control station. The operator adjusts the downforce pressure on the wheels, which in this case is 400 kilograms, and enters the required tire pressure of 250 kilopascal. A puncture is simulated by driving a nail into the tire and pulling it out again to have an open leak. The in-tire camera shows exactly what happens inside the tire. The tire loses pressure. After inflating the tire up to 250 kilopascal and embedding the sealant, the operator now adjusts the machine rotation speed and starts the machine. It only takes 2 rotations until Active Tire Seal perfectly seals the leakage. The tire pressure remains constant. 4 onboard cameras show the tire's performance from the outside and the inside. The actual tire pressure on the wheel settings screen proves that there's no loss of pressure. Simulations up to 100 kilometers per hour demonstrate the tire is absolutely leak-proof. Active Tire Seal is the perfect sealant. It guarantees a safe and comfortable driving feel. Especially commercial vehicles should use it as prevention. Active Tools. Make it your guard.